out where the doggies bawl, where spurs are a-jingling, a cowboy is singing his lonesome cattle call. Ooh-dee-dee, ooh-dee-dee-dee, ooh-dee-dee, yodeling-yodeling-dee. He rides in the sun till his day's work is done, and he rounds up the cattle each fall. Ooh-dee-dee, singing this cattle call. For hours he will ride on the range far and wide, when the night wind blows up a squall. His heart is a feather in all kinds of weather, he sings his cattle call. Ooh-dee-dee, ooh-dee-dee-dee, ooh-dee-dee, yodeling-yodeling-dee. He's brown as a berry from riding the prairie, and he sings with an old western drawl. Ooh-dee-dee, singing